For 3 years, we've been offering the best fidget rings in the game. Precision machine, tactile, comfortably thin and extremely satisfying. After all this time, we've released almost 20 different designs and finishes, yet a gold version has never seen the light of day. We've made samples, used them and loved them, but there's always been something higher on the priority list. Here's the polished version, the matte version, the Sagaya version, and the lighter gold version. All prototypes that have been locked away for over a year. But I have an itch and it's telling me it's time to finally release them to the world. So I want to ask you, do you think it's time or should we bury our dreams and forget about the gold edition altogether?